Coquitlam housing crisis in 2024. Hey there! In today's video, we're uncovering some big news in Canada's housing market, giving you the inside scoop on Coquitlam's hottest new development, sharing smart investment strategies, showcasing must have tech for your home, and highlighting an exciting local art event.
It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Now, before we get on to the show, disclaimer alert, the content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. This is not financial or professional advice. With that being said, let's get right into it. Big news in the Canadian housing market, over 60% of builders are expecting their housing starts to drop by half in 2024. Let's just say builder confidence isn't looking good. In fact, this is the eighth straight quarter of negative sentiment. The HMI score for single family homes, a low 29.9 out of 100, down 10 points year over year. Multifamily homes didn't fare much better, dropping to 32.5. And it's even worse in provinces like Ontario and BC, where we need new housing the most. Ontario scored a shocking 11.6, and BC wasn't far behind. This means significant drops in housing starts and a worsening housing supply crisis. The good news? Expanding 30-year mortgages, which allow for lower monthly payments, is a step in the right direction. But we need more. Builders and industry leaders are calling for easier mortgage access, lower development taxes, and a more dynamic stress test, which is a measure of a borrower's ability to repay a loan to get things moving again. Without these changes, the housing shortage will only worsen and prices could spike once more. It's time for immediate and serious action to fix Canada's housing crisis. The urgency of this situation cannot be overstated. Ready to take a deep dive into the latest real estate trends in Coquitlam, Port Moody, Port Coquitlam, and Pitt Meadows? Let's kick things off with Coquitlam. Over the past year, property prices have slipped by 2.0%, settling at $1,110,800. Things are heating up over in Port Moody. Prices have actually jumped by 2.3%, bringing the price to $1,140,200. Moving to Port Coquitlam, prices have slightly dipped at 0.8%, with homes now valued at around $962,200. And in Pitt Meadows, prices have dipped by 0.3%, now at $938,800. Next, let's shift gears and talk specifically about detached home prices, starting again with Coquitlam. Despite the overall drop in property prices, homes here have climbed by 1.1%, now at $1,830,000. Port Moody is the real standout for homes this year, with prices soaring by 4.5% to $2,151,900. Port Coquitlam is also in the positive, with home prices rising by 1.2% to hit $1,436,900. Meanwhile, Pitt Meadows is seeing the opposite trend, with home prices dropping by 4.0% to $1,304,500. Now, on to apartments. In Coquitlam, the apartment market saw only a slight change, with prices ticking down by 0.1% to $746,900. In Port Moody, however, the apartment market is on fire, with prices shooting up by 6.3% to $762,000. Port Coquitlam apartments also saw a respectable rise, up 1.9% to $645,300, showing steady demand in the area. And over in Pitt Meadows, apartment prices increased by 0.4%, now at $604,200. Lastly, let's talk about townhouses. Coquitlam townhouses have had a strong year, with prices rising by 2.8%, reaching $1,091,900. In Port Moody, we saw a more modest increase of 1.6%, bringing townhouse prices to $1,061,300. On the other hand, Port Coquitlam saw townhouse prices take a hit, dropping by 2.9% to $943,200. And lastly, Pitt Meadows townhouses rose slightly by 0.3%, now priced at $838,900. If you know Coquitlam, you know it's a place where the forecast is always a bit of a mix, sunny, cloudy, with a good bit of rain sprinkled in between. But that's what makes this city so unique, right? A little bit of everything and always full of surprises. And just like the weather, the real estate scene here is bringing a lot of excitement, especially with the launch of Elements, one of Coquitlam's most anticipated new developments. Situated at 625 North Road, Elements is a game changer for those looking to enjoy modern, refined living right in the heart of Burquitlam. This 27-story condo tower, developed by Beto and Pacific Properties, features 151 premium residences. The homes range in price from $599,900 to $1,254,900, offering a wide selection for buyers seeking anything from cozy one-bedroom units to spacious homes with up to 3.5 bedrooms. Construction is already underway and completion is expected in December 2026. Located at the crossroads of Burnaby, West Coquitlam, and Surrey, you'll enjoy easy access to shops, restaurants, parks, and more. This is modern living surrounded by everything you need for a well rounded, fulfilling life. So, if you want to elevate your living experience in Coquitlam, Elements is the place to be. Reach out to us at Sunny Inn Van Real Estate Team for more details and to secure your future at Elements. Imagine buying a property for $738,000. With a down payment of $55,350, you're getting a strong foothold in the market, and your mortgage amount would be $682,650. Now, your monthly mortgage payment would be $3,691. That's a big number, but here's the catch: this property could bring in the potential monthly rent of $2,597. So, when we do the math, that leaves you with a monthly loss of $1,310. In the short term, the down payment's yearly ROI with rent might be minus 2.4%. In 10 years, you will have built up $126,325 in equity just by consistently paying your mortgage. But here's the exciting part: if the property value increases as projected over the next 10 years, you could be looking at a market value of $1,891,680. If you decide to sell at that point, your 10-year profit would be a staggering $1,153,680. When you factor in your down payment, the rent you've collected over the years, and the equity you've built, your total return on investment could be $1,208,443. That's an incredible 2,083% ROI in just 10 years. Of course, even if you want to take a more conservative approach, the numbers still work out in your favor. Let's say property values only increase by 50% over 10 years. In that scenario, your property would still be worth $1,194,703, and your 10-year profit would be a solid $456,703. So whether you're shooting for the stars with a potential 10-year profit of $1,153,680, or taking a more conservative path with a 10-year profit of $456,703, this investment is a powerful way to build wealth and secure your financial future. At Sunny Inn Van, we're here to help guide you through every step of the process. Are you ready to take the next step in your investment journey? Today, we spotlight a must have for any modern home: the Blink Mini Compact Indoor Plug in Smart Security Camera. Whether you're looking to keep an eye on things while you're out or just want some extra peace of mind, the Blink Mini has you covered with its sleek design and powerful features. Let's break it down. This compact security camera offers 1080p HD video so you can monitor the inside of your home in crystal clear detail day or night. With infrared night vision, you're never in the dark when it comes to keeping an eye on what matters most. The best part: using the Blink Home Monitor app, you can see, hear, and even speak to people or pets in your home directly from your smartphone. So why wait? Set up your Blink Mini in minutes and start enjoying the peace of mind of knowing your home is always within reach. Looking for a night out filled with creativity and culture? Plus Des Art in Coquitlam has you covered with the grand opening of three incredible art exhibitions. This is your chance to connect with the local art scene and be inspired. Circle Friday, September 6, 2024 on your calendar, because Plastis Arts in Coquitlam is hosting the grand opening of three incredible new art exhibitions, and you won't want to miss it. The best part: these exhibitions are entirely free to attend. The opening night runs from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. on September 6, 2024 at Place des Arts, 1120 Brunette Avenue, Coquitlam, BC. Mark your calendars, gather your friends, and head to Place des Arts on September 6th for a night that will inspire and connect you to our amazing local arts community. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Sunny and Van. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future updates. Until the next time, happy house hunting, Sunny out.
Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver, with Sunny as your home.